Hi, welcome back to Valley News Live. We're taking a look up in Grand Forks. Well, we were taking a look up in Grand Forks where the breeze is blowing a little stiffer up there. Oh, there it is. And we even have a nice little guest from Venus there hanging above the flags. And right now our temperature here in Fargo, though, is in the mid-30s, 34 degrees. We're dealing with those clear skies. The winds out of the south-southwest at 7 miles per hour, making it feel like it's 28 degrees out there. Across the river in Moorhead, sitting right at freezing, and elsewhere temperatures still fairly warm. We're just now seeing those temperatures fall below freezing, and we're holding on to those 40s as hard as we can for folks in the east. Jamestown sitting at 36 degrees, and a look at the satellite and radar shows nothing. We have clear skies out to the west. We had some clouds for folks in the east. Those have moved off, and now we just have clear skies for everyone. So we're going to see those temperatures cool off a little faster as a result, but we're still going to hang on to those winds out of the south, and those will bring warmer temperatures as we move into tomorrow to start your week. Now, as we continue through the evening, we're going to see those clouds continue to move off to the east out of the area, but behind them we have more clouds moving into the picture, and by morning we're going to see mostly cloudy skies for everyone, some breaks here and there to see some of that blue sky, maybe a little bit of that sunrise, and those south winds will be a little bit calmer at that point, but we're still going to be holding on to those south winds, and those will help those temperatures stay a little bit warmer. Now, as we move into that lunch break, a lot of the area will be sitting in the 40s, and those not in the 40s will be missing out just by a couple of degrees or in the 50s, like folks in Bemidji. And again, that south wind could be a little bit breezy at times, particularly for folks out to the west, where we could see wind speeds of around 20 miles per hour. Now, as we move through the remainder of the afternoon and into the evening, we're going to continue watching those clouds move to the east, and some breaks here and there for folks, particularly in Lakes Country, as well as the James River Valley. And those temperatures will reach up into the 40s for most of us, some mid to upper 40s, and again, some 50s for folks in our far east. Baudette there at 57 degrees as we try to head home tomorrow. Now, as we start headed off to bed, we're going to see those clouds gather, and those will help keep our temperatures even warmer as we move into Tuesday. Now, tomorrow morning, wake up most of the area sitting in the 20s, some 30s for folks in the east, and by the afternoon, again, most of the area reaching up into the 40s or even some 50s. Sisseton there at 52 degrees. Here in Fargo, though, we're start our day 26 degrees, work our way up to a nice 47 thanks to those breaks in the clouds plus that south wind. And take a look at this Easter sunset on Pelican Lake. Thanks, Margie, for that one. A very lovely photo. But these warm temperatures going to stick around for quite some time, and that means we're going to see some flooding risk. Those warm temperatures mean quick melting and the risk for some ice damming, as places farther north on the Red River could see that ice not quite melted as the water behind it stays liquid and backs up a little bit. But we're not seeing any big moisture in the near term. We have a chance for some spotty showers on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But first, Monday and Tuesday, looking a little breezy, winds out of the south again, bringing those temperatures up into the upper 40s. And then that rain comes in again, pretty scattered, so pretty much depends on where you live, see who gets that rain. And as we look into next week, we're seeing those temperatures remain in the upper 40s.
You almost said snow.
Almost
We're done
with the snow.
We're done with the snow from here on out. Well, thank you, Jim. Still to come on Valley News.